Hi, and welcome to yet another episode of Mkulimatech.
that. Worn out, we come and help you to replace if you can not do so.
Yeah. I'm curious to see the expression of the birds as they eat and chew.
Yeah,
You know, feed that is coming from this, obviously, through the milling machine.
Yeah, you'll see so.
Now, tell me, how does the process of operating start? Where should a farmer start from?
Where you start is to collect.
Obviously.
Number two, you go to petrol station. If you are using the one, we have two machines. Okay. There is one using the engine, petrol, and the other one is using the motor. So make sure you have your token with you if you are using motor. Make sure you have enough, you have the petrol, you put it on, then you start grinding.
That's it?
Yeah, it's as simple as that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So does it need maybe a mat?
Yeah, you need a place where you collect your flour from. You don't just do it from a dirty place. So you need to prepare a clean place where you will be receiving your end product from.
One thing I know about equipment is when you have grinded something with it, it normally comes out hot. Does the temperature affect the timing of which you feed the feeds to the chicks or chicken?
No, this one is different from that. you can do it and give it. It is the way the machine is made. The only hot place, it is the engine part, and that one is not mixing with the feeds. The other part is just grinded. It comes out with the same temperatures that you put your raw material with. So you can just do it and give direct to your. Though I told you once we get this one, you mix with other ingredients to make it quality feeds.
Now, I am sure as you have gone through your selling, your advising the farmers and all that, you've come across a lot of questions from farmers. What are some of those questions? And you can have a chance today to answer them.
Yeah, one of the questions they are asking is this one. Can it be, you know, when they hear we are talking about the main scope, they think that you just use the main scope alone. So even if you have the main scope, you will need to have had some amount of maize in it. You will need to add the amount of other ingredients, which we normally advise our farmers. We have, when you come to our inbox, because some things you don't just like formula. We have chicken mash. There's a formula for that. Growers mash, you have a formula for that. Layers mash, chick starter, all that. So every stage you have a formula for that. And what do you put in, what do you mix with this one? So that is a question they are asking. Other questions are very technical about if you are using electricity, how many phases. Like the one that we use is just one phase, I mean a single phase, because it is, the machine is it's not very big machine. So it uses a very small power. The other question they are asking is about once you buy that petrol, because now the petrol is very high. If you have those 2 liters, how many kgs can you get out of it? And if you are doing just normal maize, if you are grading maize, you get up to 1 ton. That is 1,000 kilograms from 2 liters of petrol.
How many chicken can 1,000 kilograms feed?
That is a technical question, but we have a program. A chick, when it's day old, when it's 1 week, we will tell you, when you ask us, we will give you, that is an I mean, when you come to us, we will give you the feeding program. Yeah.
Okay.
So 1,000, when bird is up after 3 months. So when a bird is mature bird, it will consume 140 grams per day. So, and you feed in the morning and in the evening. So in the feeding morning hours, 7 grams, evening hours, 70. So if you have that 1,000 kgs, you can calculate that way. Yeah.
And that's cost effective.
Very, very, very.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Where can farmers access you?
Farmers can get us in our YouTube channel, where we have a lot of trainings. We have done a lot of trainings there about poultry farming.
Yeah.
Our handle is Joke Chicks Kenya. That is YouTube, Facebook the same, Joke Chicks Kenya, Twitter, and Instagram. Our phone number is 0710 147 596. Every time when you call us, we will answer your call and help you.
Okay, so you can face the camera.
And now, come with us as we demonstrate on how to use the machine. I'm going to show you bit by bit, doing for poultry and for other livestock like cattle. So come with us as we do so. So the first thing that you do, if you are doing if you want the flour and you are doing this maize cob, today you don't have a lot of them because we have already done the grinding. You take the sieve, you put it here. This is where you put your sieve, and you carefully do that when the machine is off. So you make sure it is well fit. Then you rotate this to make sure this metals inside the air. Those are the knives that I was talking about. They are okay. Then you close it that way. This is what you use to close the machine with, and make sure it is very tight, because when the machine is on, it can open and do some it can injure you when you are operating in it. So that way. Then the other thing that you are supposed to do is to check if you have the petrol with you before you put on the machine. So I said it's a very simple machine. You put on this button. This is the on and off button of the engine. If you are using this type of engine, if you read here, you see off and on. So you put on. The other part is here. There are these two arrows, one going forward and the other one going reverse way. One is for the oil, the other one is so when you are putting on, you bring this gear reverse way, and the other one is supposed to be forward. Then you put it on. This is the handle that you use. It's just a normal, like the way you do generator.
The concentration the chicken have while feeding the natural grass is enough testament that this machine is indeed a good thing when it comes to agri-technology. The nature of the grass is tasty, fresh, and of course natural. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of Mkulimatech. Tune in to 18 Farmers TV for more informative shows.